one different type of question. Question number 11. If first term in an AP is A, second term is B, last term is C, then show that sum of all terms is bracket A plus C into second bracket B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into bracket B minus A. This is the sum of all terms. Sum of all terms means Sn. So we have to show Sn is equal to this. So as we know the formula of Sn, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 into d. Okay, that means here in this formula we should know first term A. First term is given A. We should know n. So here in this question n is not given. Then we should know d means common difference. That is also not given. So to show this, first we have to find out common difference and then we have to find out n and then we will go for Sn formula. Okay. So let's start with the solution. First we will write what is given. First term in an AP is A. So in an AP, first term we denoted as T1. T1 is equal to A. Second term is T2, which is given B. And last term, so last term of AP we will denote as nth term, Tn. Tn is equal to C. And then we have to find, so show that Sn equal to D. So as I told you, first we should know the common difference. So we will find out first common difference. So common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term. Or we can write here also. Therefore, D is equal to T2 is B and T1 is A. So D is equal to B minus A. So we got common difference. Now we have to find out n. To find out n, first we will use Tn formula. So Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 bracket close into D. Now this nth term is given. How much? C equal to A plus n minus 1 and D equal to we got B minus A. Followed? Now we have to find out this n. So instead of multiplying this bracket, we will go for the simple step. First we will take this A on this side. Okay. Therefore, C minus A is equal to n minus 1 into B minus A. So this also we will write in bracket. Okay. Now we want to find out n. So what we will do? We will take this first bracket on this side. It is multiplied here. So here we will get C minus A upon B minus A is equal to n minus 1. Okay. Now to find out this n, we will take this minus 1 on this side. So it gets plus. So here C minus A plus 1. C minus A upon B minus A plus 1 is equal to n. Now to add these, we have to do cross multiplication. Okay. So here we will do cross multiplication. C minus A plus B minus A upon b minus a equal to n. Followed? Now we will open this bracket. Therefore, c minus a plus b minus a. c minus a plus b minus a upon b minus a equal to n. Therefore, n equal to, now here first we will write b plus c and minus a minus 2a upon b minus a. So n equal to, we got b plus c minus 2a upon b minus a. Okay, we got d, we got n. Now we will go for this proof. This we have to prove sum of all terms. That means Sn equal to this. So we will use Sn formula. Now see student, in this question we know the first term and we know the last term also. So we will use second formula of Sn here. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket T1 plus Tn. Therefore, Sn equal to n we got b plus c minus 2a, b plus c minus 2a upon b minus a. And this 2 is there in the denominator. So, into 2. Okay. Bracket T1 plus Tn. T1 equal to A. Tn is equal to C. So, here in bracket we will get A plus C. Understood? So, C student we got this way. A plus C we got here into B plus C minus 2A we got upon 2 into B minus A. So, we got sum of these all terms is equal to this. So, we proved this. So, we will now arrange according to this. Therefore, Sn is equal to, first we will write A plus C into bracket B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into bracket B minus A. So this way we proved sum of all terms in the given AP is bracket A plus C into second bracket B plus C minus 2A upon 2 into bracket B minus A.